My name is Artie Holmes, and I'm a wheel repair specialist for Continental Auto Group. I've been part of the group for 15 years now. I first started at Infinity of Austin in 2010. Even though I'm a vendor, in everything I do, I work to accomplish C.A.G goals, professionalism, customer service. Me being on site says to the customers of the group that doing your job is having the next person's back, so it's nothing better than a salesman coming back saying how a customer was excited about their wheels, and at the end of the day, it makes the team look better.
I really do enjoy my job. So I do PDR work, which is paintless dent repair. I take out like door dings, hail damage, things like that. The main ways on how we do it is we use like these metal rods, try to get behind the dent and push it out. That's our preferred way of doing it because we can get a lot more precise with the dents. There's also another method called glue pulling, which is we have these little tabs and we put hot glue on the dent and then we use a slide hammer to try to pop it out, but we can't quite get as detailed with those. And so those are for spots like along the roof rail, like up here and things like that, where it's hard to get a tool in there.